Factor theorem example 2. Show that x plus 3 is a factor of x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 6, and hence factorize x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 6 as far as possible. So if we let f of x be equal to x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 6, and we want to show that x plus 3 is a factor, then by the factor theorem what we want to do is evaluate f of 3. So that's negative 3 cubed plus 4 lots of negative 3 squared, add negative 3, take away 6, so that's negative 27, add 36, take away 3, take away 6, and that is equal to 0, and that means that x plus 3 is a factor by the factor theorem. So we can now write that f of x is equal to x plus 3, and then we need a quadratic factor. Now we just have a single x cubed here, so this will need to be a single x squared. And at the back of the bracket, in order to get the negative 6 here, we're going to need a negative 2. And then we don't know what this middle term is. But we can find out by comparing coefficients. So for example, let's look at the coefficient of x squared. So from here we would get 3x squared, and then we'll have ax squared, and that must be equal to 4x squared. And that tells us that a is equal to 1. So f of x is now x plus 3, x squared plus x minus 2, and that quadratic factorizes. It's quite an easy one to factorize. It will be x plus 2, x minus 1.